Hey Kyle, how's it going? My name is Jesus, and we spoke earlier on the phone about getting you some more business, right? What I'm going to talk about in this video is just giving you some three simple tips and tricks on how to do that online. So I did do some research on your business, and I noticed that you did not have a website, so that would be a good start, right? Getting a website up, getting some keywords in there. Before I jump any further, I want to tell you that there are three things that we're going to talk about today. So the first one is going to be content, the second one's going to be backlinks, and then the last one's going to be citations. All right, we're going to go through those in order. So the first one is content. All right, so your competitor at the moment is, whenever I Googled cleaning services, Farmington, New Mexico, is on the spot. All right, and if you go to their website, you'll see that it's really simple. It's user friendly, things like that. This is something that you would probably want to go for, okay? If you're building a website, this is something that you're aiming for. Now, unfortunately, Google doesn't care how awesome or how easy to use a website is. All they care about is content, right? And what or how relevant it is to your business, the keywords, right? So some of the keywords that you would find, see if I highlighted this one from on the spot, some keywords that you would probably find on here would be, actually this is ChemDry. This is one of your competitors as well. So if I look at their keywords, let's just go with them, okay? So you would see right away that they have carpet cleaning, right? You have carpet cleaning Farmington, New Mexico, carpet cleaning Farmington, New Mexico, dry cleaners Farmington, New Mexico. I mean, they just have a ton of keywords, which is why they're getting so much traffic to their website. They're getting a lot of calls per month, and I can tell you that right now because if you look at the amount of, let's see, the amount of referring domains. Okay, so we're going to talk about backlinks really quick. So a referring domain is basically a website that's referring back to your website, and this one over here with backlinks is how many times they're doing it on all 79 of these websites. So they're pushing traffic to his website and getting him more customers, more revenue, right, for his business. So it's pushing more traffic to his website, and which is why it's easier to find them than your business. So if I were to go back here, you would see that ChemDry and this place over here on the spot would rank here. And then if you were to type in carpet cleaning, because I know you guys do that, carpet, why can't I spell? Carpet cleaning, Farmington, New Mexico. You would see that ChemDry pops up, On the Spot Cleaning pops up, Aladdin, they're at #1. And then they're even here in the organic rankings. Like, this is your top competitor here. They're doing a lot of things right? Most people don't go down here to these other, I mean, I don't know if you do whenever you're searching, but most people don't click the 2 or the 3, right? Whenever they're looking for service. They're usually hitting up this spot right here, which is called the Google Map Pack, or here in this in the organic listings, right? So you even have Luhan's here, who is not in the map pack. You also have let's see, On the Spot is here at #7, and Aladdin isn't even here on the organic search. Okay, so there's a big difference to that, right? So backlinks and referring domains will get you here in this organic website. In the organic listings. So if you had more backlinks and more referring domains, and they were stronger than your competitors, then you'd take this #1 spot right here, right? So if we take a look at theirs, they have 79 referring domains. I'm going to click on it really quick. So all you would have to do is go into each one of these websites, right? And this is a paid tool. I'm in the industry, so but there's a bunch of other free tools that you can use, like Keyword Finder, Backlink Finder, things like that, and just type in their business, and it'd show you stuff like this. So you would just go into each one of these and ask if you could put a link to your website there, and that would be considered a backlink, and that would be considered a referring domain, just pushing traffic back to your website so Google can find it easier to locate you. All right, and then lastly, what I'm going to talk to you about are citations. So this is obviously where all the traffic goes to. Okay. I don't know about you, but whenever I'm in a new town, or if I'm in my hometown of San Antonio, Texas, and I'm wanting something like a tire repair or something like that, right? Say I messed up my tire on the way there, and I need something to fix really quick, a spare. I would normally just look at these top 3 businesses, and naturally I pick the first one, and I just go there, right? So this is where most of the traffic goes to. This is where all the money goes. So I would highly recommend, after you get your website, the way you get here is through citations, okay? And citations are just anywhere that you can find your business in a directory, right? So it would be your business name, your phone number, your email, your address. They would all have to be the same across all the directories, okay, in order to count. So a directory is kind of like Yellow Pages, White Pages. You have Yelp, Home Advisor, places like that. Those are all directories. So obviously your competitors here have several directories. So if they have 150 directories, let's just, as an example, then you would just need to do the research and then plug in all those directories on your website, or have your website be put on those directories, right? Some of them charge, I'm not going to lie, some of them do charge. But you would just plug in your information in on those directories, and if they have 150, I would just try and one up them to, I don't know, 170, 180, just to ensure that you're always at this number 1 spot here. Now, citations are constantly fluctuating. Some of them will constantly be updating their citations, so you'll see, a little bit here and there moving from second to first place, but all you would have to do is just make sure that you're maintaining your directories or your citations as well. So with that being said, as I said, you would want to build a website first and foremost to be more relevant online. You would want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords to be an authoritative website. And then you would need keywords such as carpet cleaning Farmington, cleaning services Farmington, carpet Farmington, New Mexico, just anything like that, so that Google, all those things are buyer intent keywords, right? People are ready to spend their money. People are looking for these things so that they can take care of their homes, right? And take care of their properties. So those are really, really important, these keywords. So you would do that, and then the backlinks, obviously, you would just research your opponent's backlinks and their referring domains and plug in your link into those blogs, or carpet cleaning blogs, or forums, right? Places like that would link back to your website. Not all backlinks are created the same, so you would not be plugging in your website in a Pizza Hut, because you're obviously not a restaurant, right? You're a cleaning service. So as I said, any kind of cleaning blog, any kind of cleaning forum, places like that, websites for cleaning, things like that, that would be very, very, very beneficial to help rank you on Google. And then lastly, the citations, you just want to list your business on as many directories as possible, just to outrank your opponent here in this Google Map Pack, bringing you lots more business. You might even have to hire more employees so that you can get all these jobs done. So if you have any questions, you're probably wondering, what happens from here. Well, there are 2 options, right? So you could definitely do this yourself, create the website, you get the backlinks, you list your businesses or your business in as many directories as possible, and just do the research and do it all yourself. Or if you're looking to hire someone, I could definitely help you out with that. Obviously, I'm in the industry. If this interests you in any way, please reach out to me, and I'll see what I can do to help you. Thank you so much, Kyle. I appreciate your time. Have a good day.